With summer right around the corner, I've got the perfect refreshing drink for you. It's a wine float and it is so cool and so easy to make. This trendy dessert combines sparkling wine with ice cream, similar to a root beer float, but it's so easy and delicious. So, for the best wine float, you want to use a sparkling wine like champagne or Prosecco or Cava or any other bubbly. So, two things that you want to do is you want to balance sweetness. So, pair a dry bubbly with a very sweet ice cream. Or the other thing you can do is enhance the flavors, meaning if your wine has some melon flavors in it, then you want to use a melon sorbet or ice cream. And speaking about what you use for the base, whether it's ice cream or sorbet, if you use sorbet, you get more of a clean, crisp refreshing taste. And if you use ice cream, then you get a creamy, kind of nostalgic texture and feeling and taste similar to a root beer float. So we are going to do one with our framboise. This is our raspberry sparkling. And I'm going to use raspberry sorbet. You can use any size glass. You can use a regular wine glass. This is kind of a big one. This isn't what I'm going to use. You can use sort of a dessert, kind of a margarita type glass. You can use a stemless glass. You can use a tall glass. You can even use a bowl if you're doing a whole bunch. So anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this glass, and I'm just going to scoop. I let this sit a little bit. So I'm going to scoop the ice cream right in there, or the sorbet, I should say. Oh, this looks so good. So let's do a couple scoops. Don't be shy. Come on. I'm going to break the glass. You have to use my fingers. There we go. Okay. Kind of made a mess on the glass, but that's okay. All right. Then what we're going to do is we are going to just wipe the sides here. So I got a clean glass. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the framboise and we're going to slowly pour it. Very slowly. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Look at that. And then what you might want to do is garnish it with like frozen raspberries or blueberries or any fruit that you have. The one thing that you can do is you can also do the same thing with our La Pêche, which is our peach cocktail. It's a bubbly, the same as the raspberry, but it has peach flavors in it. So you want to either use a peach ice cream and then you can garnish it with fresh peaches.